In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to map products and services to income accounts in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a small business owner trying to keep your finances neatly organized or an accountant managing multiple accounts, this process will help streamline your accounting in just a few steps. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you want to open QuickBooks Online. To do this, you'll need to click on Sign In. Make sure that you have your credentials ready because you'll need them in just a moment. Once you've clicked on Sign In, you will see an option to choose QuickBooks Online. Go ahead and select that. It's important to ensure you're logging into the right service as QuickBooks offers multiple platforms. Now that you've chosen QuickBooks Online, it's time to enter your login credentials. Type in your username and password and then hit Continue. Having your login information close at hand will make this step swift and straightforward. After successfully logging in, you will be directed to your QuickBooks Online homepage. The next step is to locate the Sales tab on the dashboard. This tab is your gateway to managing your customer and product details. Once you are on your homepage, look towards the left sidebar. You'll see several options there, one of which is the Sales tab. Click on it and it will open a new window with more options. Within this new window, you'll want to select Products and Services. This is where you can manage all the products and services your business offers. A click on this option will bring up a list showing all your products and services in QuickBooks Online. It's a great feature that helps you keep track of what your business is providing. Now browse through the list of products and services and choose the one you want to map to an income account. Next to the product name, you'll find an Edit button. Click on this. This action will open up the details of the selected product or service, allowing you to make necessary changes. Once you have the product details open, locate the income account field. This is a crucial step because it's where you connect the product or service to the respective income account. Click on this field. You'll see a drop-down menu that lists all the income accounts available in your QuickBooks. From this list, select the income account where you want this particular product or service to be recorded. After selecting the appropriate account, you're almost done. Just click on Save and Close to finalize your changes. This ensures that the mapping is complete and your product is now correctly linked to its income account. That's it. You've successfully mapped your product or service to an income account in QuickBooks Online. Following these steps helps maintain accurate financial records. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in keeping your accounting organized.